Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we review gaming peripherals to help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we have an exceptional mechanical keyboard to discuss, the Keychron Q1 Pro. Today, we have an exceptional mechanical keyboard to discuss, the Keychron Q1 Pro. This keyboard has taken the already impressive Q1 and improved it by adding Bluetooth connectivity, making it the ultimate choice in the high-end mechanical keyboard segment. Let's jump right in. Keychron has made a name for itself by offering affordable keyboards with robust features, often undercutting competitors by a significant margin. While their focus has traditionally been on keyboards under $100, they are now venturing into the higher-end mechanical keyboard market with the Q1 series. The introduction of the Q1 Pro was a bold move, offering a fully assembled keyboard with an even better gasket mounting system at a competitive price of $199. The Q1 Pro boasts a solid build quality, resembling a tank due to its heavy full metal chassis. The inclusion of a large 4000 mAh battery adds to the weight, but it also ensures extended battery life. The 75% layout with 81 keys is a staple in this category, featuring shortened navigation keys. Additionally, the keyboard includes a knurled volume knob, offering a premium tactile feel. The Q1 Pro's unique gasket-mounted system is a standout feature. Keychron's double gasket design, accompanied by silicone pads, case foam, a sound-absorbing layer, silicone gaskets, and a polycarbonate plate, provides an unparalleled typing experience. The keyboard comes fully assembled, eliminating the need for further tinkering. Keychron has included numerous features with the Q1 Pro. In the package, you'll find sets of keys for both Windows and Mac configurations, a switch and key puller, and a quality USB-C to USB-C cable with a USB-A connector. The keyboard itself offers both wired and Bluetooth modes, allowing you to effortlessly switch between them. Individual key RGB lighting enhances the aesthetics, while QMK software provides extensive customization options for key assignments, macros, and RGB lighting control. The addition of Bluetooth connectivity is a notable feature of the Q1 Pro. Pairing up to 3 devices is seamless, and the toggling between devices is straightforward. However, it's worth mentioning that battery life over Bluetooth, especially with RGB lighting, may not be stellar. Having used several gasket-mounted keyboards, the Q1 Pro's feedback surpasses others in this category. The bounciness of the gasket system makes typing an absolute delight, setting it apart from competitors like the GMMK Pro or ACO's Mod 007 SV2. Keychron offers 2 switch options, the tactile K Pro Brown and the linear K Pro Red. Both switches come pre-lubed and offer excellent feedback in daily use. The keycaps provided with the Q1 Pro are of high quality, featuring a spherical layout with shallow inlets that enhance the typing experience. Keychron also offers easy switch and key customization if you wish to explore other options. The keyboard's 5.2-degree incline, combined with aftermarket wrist rest compatibility, ensures comfort during extended use. To sum it up, the Q1 Pro excels in every aspect. Its sturdy build, top-notch gasket-mounted system, rotary volume knob, vibrant RGB lighting, and high customizability make it the best mechanical keyboard under $200. While other gasket-mounted options like the GMMK Pro and ACO's Mod 007 SV2 offer compelling choices, the Q1 Pro's fully assembled nature, extensive features, and competitive pricing make it an unbeatable option. And that concludes our review of the Keychron Q1 Pro mechanical keyboard. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews of gaming peripherals. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.